All right, well, a friend of mine gave me some old tools yesterday. We used to work together years ago, and he was cleaning out. I believe somebody gave them to him that was related to a person he knew where he worked, where we both worked. Might even be related to him. I'll have to ask him again. But anyway, here's what he gave me. A whole toolbox, a level, and there's an old bolt cutter. Needs a little repair. Other than that, looks like in pretty good shape. Just needs maybe a cross bolt. And this box on is called Wizard C. It's in pretty good shape for an old toolbox. Really, this is like a collectible thing people collect nowadays. And it's just full of tools and stuff. I have no idea what all's in here. Pretty neat looking. Really cool to take apart an old box like this and see what treasures are down in there. At least for me, anyway. I believe a lot of people might call this junk. But you know, for me it's not junk. It's a treasure trove. You know, I used to be a mechanic for quite a few years, and I always had a good respect and enjoyment out of tools. Certainly are helpful to us. There's a lot in here. Can't imagine how much. It sure is full of stuff down in there. Packed full. Lots of little wrenches. It looks like possibly a snap ring bar or something. Well, this is going to be a difficult. There we go. That's what it is. It's a snap ring plier. Not in such good shape anymore. There you have it. Maybe document this more. That maybe get stuff. Maybe I get stuff out and lay it on top of the bench here, and give you a spread. You can see what all was in it. Anyway, there you have it for now. It's a toolbox I was blessed with, this old toolbox. And it should be pretty interesting to see what all's in there. You folks, take care. We'll catch you later. God bless.